Dominican Republic. The mini bottle.
Yes. He was like, oh.
Hey queens, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a vacation maintenance vlog. So we are going to Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. Yes, y'all. So this is my first time in the DR. I'm so excited. I decided I was going to do my natural hair this time. So I'm checking in the bag because I'm going to have to do my hair throughout the trip. Just washing it and like combing it out. But hopefully it's not that bad. I'm gonna let y'all know because this is my first time ever wearing my regular hair out, my natural hair, without like braids or something. So I did do these twists or these crisscross method, but if I need to take them out, I will. But yeah, I got a few things going on in this vlog. It's not gonna be that long, I don't think. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's get into the video. Yeah, so we got the mini bottles.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, y'all, so I am running kind of late, but I'm supposed to be there at 6. I'm gonna be there at 5:59. So it wasn't far. It was 7 minutes away from my house. Okay, yeah, your work is really nice.
Thank you. It's been so long, I don't know, I keep...
Okay, y'all, so I made it to the alcohol place. Yeah, I need to be out of here by 5:30. It's 5:18 right now. The waxing place was like, we need you here at least 15 minutes before. So we'll see. We'll see. But yeah, that started at 6 on the dot. Oh, they said just 5 minutes before. They might be okay. Then later today, I'm planning on doing my hair. I'm just gonna wash it, and then tomorrow I'm gonna style it. So I don't gotta do too much tomorrow. I do want to get my feet done. So afterward, I think I'll come home, you know, change clothes, and then get my feet done. And after my feet done, come back home, style my hair. Y'all, this look crazy. I just wanna show y'all again.
Put water in your face a lot.
Woohoo! Okay, this should be interesting.
Need a tangent?
Okay, queen, so the wax, it hurted really bad. I would give the pain a 10. Nah, I mean, I'll probably get a pain like a 9. a 9 out of 10. It really hurted. I'm not gonna lie to you. Yeah, would I get it again? Only for like if I need it. I don't see me putting myself, you know, putting myself in that much pain all the time. But yeah, I kind of wanted just to see how long it lasts for me. I know it's different for other people, but they said like the more you do it, the better it is and stuff like that, and the longer it lasts, and you know, your hair follicles are thinner when it grows back. So yeah, I really like the results though. The results is a 9 out of 10 too, because I do see a little boom boom boom. Then she started taking tweezers and getting like everything. So it was kind of a lot, but we got through it. We got through it. So yeah, I think my favorite thing about today is my eyebrows. So now I think I'm going to try to pack up my stuff a little bit. Honestly, it's already packed, but I just want to repack, make sure I'm not going to forget anything. And yeah, it was a good day. I think if you haven't tried waxing, I can understand why, because it really hurts. So yeah, bless your heart. Bless your heart. So, okay y'all, so this is my carry-on, and then this is also a carry-on too. I do have my other bag. It's in the closet, but I went shopping, and so I need to put all of this into here. So yeah, that's what we're working on right now. Okay, guys, I got everything packed. I just need to close the suitcases at this point. I'm finna go and get my toes painted. I'm not about to get my feet done because my hair hurts and I don't got time. I haven't even done my hair. After I do my hair, I need to go to Anthony's, because that's where we gotta wake up. We gotta wake up at like 3 o'clock. So it's just too much. I don't know how I'm gonna make it without this headache. So hopefully I get relaxed. I'm gonna take some water and just try to relax, because this is a lot already. Hey y'all, so now I'm gonna do my hair. The time now is 8:37. I said I was gonna leave by 9, but shit. But now I probably leave at like 10. I just put peppermint on my face, so it's kind of burning. But yeah, I'm just gonna hook up my hair, and y'all, hopefully I don't be too long because I need to go. It's time to go. But my stuff is packed, so we should be good with that. Okay, y'all. So the time now, I'm scared to look, is 9:24. Okay. So basically, we already got this done. Now we just need to cross it. I think I'm gonna cross it like this, and yeah, probably put it in like a little ponytail for right now, and then put my bonnet on, and then, you know, wake up and style it tomorrow. Okay, so now we got the crisscross. It is a little crooked, but if I do this, it's not that crooked no more. But okay, so I think tomorrow I'm gonna just do a half up, half down. So that's what I'm gonna do right now to my head. A half up, half down. And then I'm gonna go, cause y'all, it's time. Y'all, so the hair is done. It should have more volume in the morning. I put a lot of gel, a lot of eco on here. That's why it's like flat right now, but I absolutely love the way it looks. Super cute. I'm excited. So y'all, the time the time is 9:50. The time is 9:51. So right now I'm about to close all my bags because they're open right now, and I had to get a little bit of stuff out because I had to do my hair. But I'm gonna put the stuff back in and put my bonnet on and hit the road. So yeah, it's been a crazy week. A crazy week. I was supposed to get my nails done on Monday, but my nail tech pushed it to Tuesday. So I got my nails done on Tuesday. I got a wax, and I got my eyebrows threaded on Wednesday, and now it's Thursday. I did my hair and I got my toes done. So everything is finally done. Our flight leaves at 5:53 in the morning. So I'm gonna be up at 3 o'clock in the morning trying to get to the airport at least by 4. Yeah, it's a lot. Connecting flight, it's just a lot going on. But thanks, queens, for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what else you want to see on my channel. Bye, queen. I'm talking crazy. Need you running my space.